Hi and welcome to Design Upgrades, Rhinoceros and Grasshopper 3D Tutorials. My name is Saqib Aziz. I will be your instructor, so please allow me to introduce myself. I graduated at the University of Arts in Berlin with a diploma degree in architecture. After that, I started to work as a complex modeling and environmental design specialist for Hen Architects. Besides that, I also work as a scientific researcher at the University of Arts. Here I started to teach students Rhino and Grasshopper for over 2 years now. I decided to create this platform simply because I would have loved to have a platform like this during my time learning Rhino and Grasshopper. I wanted to create the best possible content which is easy to use, highly illustrative, and undoubtedly affordable to just generate an optimal learning experience. So please support and follow me on my journey as I create and populate this platform with more outstanding online courses. And now, simply enjoy and explore my courses and let us make some design upgrades.